Hi guys, this is Dhananjay here. I'm the CEO of MOKSH and today we are going to talk especially on USMLE. Okay, I have been talking to so many doctors or so many students who are studying MBBS, okay, on a constant basis in the last 7 years. Okay, one of the biggest problem that they faced while preparing the USMLE examination, step 1 examination, is they do not have sufficient time for preparation. Okay, now the problem is the available options that you have to learn USMLE, for preparing the examination, they are all with a very specific validity. Okay, like 9 months or 12 months or something like that. Okay, now that is the first pain point that we needed to remove before launching MOKSH in 2018. We said if a student has opted for USMLE, they have to get unlimited validity throughout our recorded lectures, live lectures, test platforms and everything. And why? One of the reason is USMLE step 1 can be given only once and the score gets locked for 6 years more. Unless and until you are ready with a score of 240 plus, there is no point in appearing for the examination. Now, how can anybody else decide that you have to be ready within 9 months, otherwise you have to repay the whole amount just because your validity is over? It's impossible. So some people will have examination pressure, some people will have, lots of things during the medical schools, as everybody of you know. In that case, MOKSH gives you, the first thing is unlimited validity to access USMLE till you are ready for 240 plus. Now, how are we going to decide whether you are ready for 240 plus or not? That's something which I'm going to take care of that question in the next video. Do look for it. We are not here just to sell a product. We are here to prepare you for step 1 so that you can get into residency. Remember, the solution is not a sale, okay, of just a recorded version of the lectures. Self-study is not going to help you. A structured course is required with unlimited validity, with a test platform which gives you guarantee that yes, I am confident to get 240 plus now because I have done that multiple times on NBME exam. I will tell you how to do that. Okay, thanks a lot, sir. See you again on my channel. Just subscribe it once and you're going to get constantly new videos all on USMLE. MOKSH USMLE coaching platform. This platform is available for everybody for free trial. Just use it and you will come to know exactly what is the pain points, how do we remove them from the existing solutions which are available, which are purely recorded videos with a very limited validity to access those contents, and which does not make, people don't have that much money to just keep on paying for the same thing again and again. Okay, thank you.